Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set Steam spending limits with IO cards in Mercury. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply get logged in into your Mercury account. So once you get logged in into your Mercury account, you can simply go and tap open your login page. So once you're in the login page, get access to your account and visit the dashboard. Once you're in the Mercury's dashboard, you can simply find the option called cards. This section will allow you to click to issue a new card. You need to fill out the new information such as cardholder's name, card nickname, and set a spending limit. Now, once you have completed the process by issuing the credit card, you can also edit an existing card's limit by tapping on the same cards page and selecting more. Now you can simply choose the edit limit option and choose the desired time frame for the limit. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.